Samsung's new AI phone could change the game. Here's a sneak peek. It's official. Samsung is unveiling their most advanced smartphones ever at their upcoming Unpacked event on January 17th. These new Galaxy phones are set to have an all-new mobile experience powered by AI. Ooh, exciting! While Samsung is keeping details under wraps for now, rumors point to the Galaxy S to 4S to 4 Plus and S24 Ultra. I don't know about you, but my tech senses are tingling. Based on recent announcements from Qualcomm and Google, here's a taste of what we may see on-device. AI-like mini chat that works offline for private conversations anywhere. Imaging AI that can generate art and photos from text descriptions. Next-level video and photo enhancements with AI. This could be a game-changer, a smartphone AI that breaks free from the limits of the cloud. Truly intelligent phones in the palm of your hand. Samsung is coming hard for the AI phone crown against Apple and Google. I can't wait to see what other surprises they have in store. Will next-gen AI features convince you to upgrade? Or are you holding out for the iPhone 15? Let me know in the comments. The smartphone wars are heating up. Samsung's packing its Galaxy lineup with cutting-edge AI. Apple and Google better respond fast or they risk falling behind.